Good morning, Saints. Welcome to episode 2. I am so excited that I finally started this journey, and I'm excited to share it with you. Um, it's first thing in the morning around, I don't know, let's see, 8:30. I have already this morning drank about 16 ounces of water. So that is what today's episode is going to be about, the importance of that miracle elixir that is water. Now, I know everybody's heard the drink 8 glasses of water a day. And that's a great rule of thumb. Except for some of us, it is not correct. Uh, we're going to start with me, being that I am a fluffy chick. I need more water than that because I'm trying to get unfluffy. In fact, I am getting unfluffy. This has been a journey that I've taken over years, and I'm in great health, getting in great physical shape to go with it. Okay, so let's talk about this water. One of the things that is common among people who do not drink enough water is fatigue. You never knew that your body would show dehydration by just plain making you tired. So if you're getting up in the morning, going about your day, and then after your morning cup of coffee, because I'm not knocking the coffee, y'all, because I got mine too. After your morning cup of coffee, a few hours later, you find yourself lagging. Ask yourself a question. What's your water intake look like today? How much water are you drinking? Can you get rid of your fatigue by simply adding a couple of extra glasses of water to your diet? I have a very good friend that told me about the fact that she is unconsciously health conscious. It's not that she tries to be health conscious, it's more along the lines that she doesn't like the taste of anything, so she drinks more water. And one of the things that I noticed about her is that her skin is amazing because she doesn't have all of the sugary drinks or the 0 calorie drinks or all the other things that we replace water with in our lives. Her energy is amazing. And I found myself that if I wake up feeling sluggish, if I look at the day before, I know that I did not have enough water. So, what I'm going to tell you guys today is listen to your bodies. Yes, like I said, rule of thumb, 8 glasses of water a day, which is 64 ounces. Personally, I do around 100 ounces. Need to do 124. But I'm tired of being in the bathroom, y'all. We know how it is. When you drink that much water consistently, you go to the restroom quite a bit. So, as I get better and get to the 124 ounces, I ask that you guys join me on this journey. So, today, can you take and do just 32 ounces of water? 4 glasses of water throughout the day, additional to what you already do. And when you sit down for a meal, whether it's a quick meal of breakfast, lunch, a snack, or dinner, add a glass of water. This, of course, is a 12-ounce glass of water. Add yourself a glass of water so that you have the opportunity to see how much better you feel while drinking water. Additionally, Saints, if any of you are on any type of medication for any chronic disorder or whatever may be going on in your life, that makes water that much more important because the residuals of those medications, after they've been metabolized by your liver, are waiting to leave your body in your kidneys. So adding extra water gives your body the opportunity to essentially cleanse itself. Give your body the rain it needs to stay clean. So drink as much water as possible throughout the day. Now, if y'all are like me and y'all done had them babies, ladies, and you sitting in an almost 50-year-old body, cut your water off around 7 or 8 o'clock so that you don't end up getting up in the middle of the night and not being able to go back to sleep, because it does affect your rest. So start early as possible. I get up at 5 a.m. My husband is so sweet, y'all. He puts my water on the on my bed nightstand next to my B12. And I start my water intake at that time. If I've got meetings that I know I can't get up during, I may cut myself off for a little bit and then go back right after the meeting. So be intentional about your water intake. Be intentional about your health. So I'm going to end this with, today we're going to start to drink more water. That is our first step to good health. Now, I'm going to add in that some of you can't drink water without flavoring. If you need flavoring, use fresh fruit. Lemon, lime, citrus of any type. If you're like another friend of mine and can't do citrus, a little bit of cucumber or strawberries or blueberries, whatever. I am a fan of as much natural as possible. I know there are plenty of little things you can buy off the grocery shelf to add flavor to your water, but these things also come with sweeteners, whether they be artificial sweeteners or things like stevia. Give your body the chance to like water by itself without any additional sweeteners or any additional flavors that are not natural. So with that said, I'm going to ask that anyone watching this video today, would you please do me the biggest favor, like, subscribe, and share. I want to get this out to as many people as possible because I'm hoping to drop as many gems as possible on our population to let us know how to live a healthier lifestyle. So, good morning from Holistic Balance. This is Barbara checking out.